Looking for a high-performance, travel-friendly camera drone? Meet the Potensic ATOM 2, a next-generation compact drone packed with powerful imaging features, cinematic shooting modes, and advanced AI functionality, all under 249 grams. Whether you're a content creator, hobbyist, or aerial photographer, the ATOM 2 is designed to help you capture smooth, high-quality footage effortlessly, without the need for FAA registration. Key features: ultra-lightweight design, under 249 grams. Travel-ready and no FAA registration required, perfect for beginners and frequent flyers. 3-axis mechanical gimbal for ultra-smooth video. Keeps your footage buttery smooth in motion, even in windy conditions. Stunning camera quality. 48MP still photos, 8K photo mode. 4K 30 frames per second HDR video. 2.7K vertical shooting mode for social media posts. AA camera features and flight modes. AI night shot, enhanced low light performance. AI smart tracking, auto-follow subjects with precision. For X digital zoom, panoramic capture, dolly zoom, QuickShots and slow motion. Impressive flight performance. Up to 10 km image transmission range. Smooth Wi-Fi connectivity for fast, real-time preview. What's included? Potensic ATOM 2 drone. 3-axis gimbal camera. Remote controller. 3 intelligent flight batteries. Parallel charging hub. 16 spare propellers. 16 spare screws. Propeller holder strap. USB-C charging cable. 2 adapter cables, USB Type-C and Lightning. Gimbal protector. Screwdriver. Shoulder carry bag. Why choose the Potensic ATOM 2? High-resolution 4K HDR video and 48MP stills. Long-range 10 km transmission with Wi-Fi support. AA enhanced features for better automation and low-light shots. Ultra-portable and beginner-friendly. Comprehensive accessory kit included for hassle-free flying. The Potensic ATOM 2 delivers professional quality imaging and flight control in a compact, sub-250G frame, making it ideal for travelers, social media creators, vloggers, and drone enthusiasts. With advanced AI tracking, night shooting modes, and gimbal-stabilized 4K video, it's built for smooth storytelling from the sky. Ready to elevate your content? Fly smarter and lighter with the Potensic ATOM 2.